Hello, and welcome to today's English fluency practice. I am your personal English coach, here to guide you gently, step by step, towards speaking English with confidence and ease. English is not difficult. You can speak it faster than you think. I know you might feel nervous when you open your mouth to speak. Maybe you hesitate, thinking, what if I say the wrong word? Or what if someone laughs? Those fears are normal. I have felt them too. But let me tell you something important. Fluency is not far away. Every time you practice, every time you say a word or a sentence, you are building a bridge to confidence. You are not alone on this journey. Today, we will practice together, and I will show you how to make English a natural part of your life. Are you ready? Let us start this adventure. Let us begin with your mindset. The way you think about learning English changes everything. If you tell yourself, English is too hard, it feels like a heavy weight on your shoulders. But if you say, I am learning, and I am getting better, it feels light, like a warm breeze. Let me share a story about Javier. Javier is from Mexico. He dreamed of speaking English fluently, but he was shy. He thought, I need to know every grammar rule first. He was afraid to speak because he worried about mistakes. But one day, Javier decided to change his thinking. He started saying simple affirmations every morning in front of his mirror. Let us try them together. Say this with me. I am improving. Say it again. Slowly, I am improving. Now try this one. I can speak English. Repeat. I can speak English. And one more. I am learning every day. Say it. I am learning every day. Javier said these words daily. And soon, he felt braver. He started speaking, even if his sentences were simple. Mistakes did not stop him. You can do this too. Look in the mirror today and say these affirmations. Feel the confidence grow inside you. Now, let us bring English into your world. One of the best ways to learn is to surround yourself with English every day. You do not need to move to London or New York. You can make English a part of your life right where you are. For example, change the language on your phone to English. When you send a message or check the weather, you will see English words. Another idea is to watch English cooking videos. Imagine you are learning to make pasta. Listen to the chef say, add salt to the water. Repeat the words after them. You can also try labeling things in your home. Write window, chair, or fridge on small pieces of paper and stick them around your house. Every time you pass by, say the word out loud. Another fun way is to listen to English podcasts about animals. Learn words like lion or ocean while you enjoy the stories. These small steps make English feel like a friend, not a challenge. Choose one idea to try today. And tomorrow, add another. You will see how quickly English becomes normal. Next, let us practice thinking in English. When you think in your own language and then try to translate, it feels slow and hard. But when you think in English, the words come out faster. Let us try this with something you do every day. Walking to the store. Imagine you are walking now. Say this with me. I am walking to the store. Say it again. I am walking to the store. Now imagine you see a dog. Say, I see a dog. Repeat, I see a dog. Now you feel the sun. Say, the sun is warm. Say it, the sun is warm. See how easy that was? You are thinking in English already. Try this when you do other things, like eating breakfast or washing dishes. For example, say, I am eating bread, or I am washing a plate. Use short, simple sentences. This habit trains your brain to thinking English, and soon, speaking will feel natural. Practice this for 1 minute today. And tomorrow, try 2 minutes. Speaking every day is the secret to fluency. You do not need a classroom or a teacher. You can practice by yourself, anywhere. For example, talk to yourself in English. If you are in your room, look around and describe what you see. Say, I see a blue bed. There is a lamp on the table. Another idea is to describe your day. Say, this morning I drank coffee. Now I am reading. Let us practice with a mini conversation. Imagine you are at a coffee shop, ordering a drink. I will be the barista, and you will be the customer. I will say my lines, and you repeat your lines after me. Ready? I say, hello, welcome to my coffee shop. Do you want coffee or tea? Now you say, I want coffee. Say it with me, I want coffee. I say, okay. Do you want milk in your coffee? You say, yes, I want milk. Repeat, yes, I want milk. I say, here is your coffee. Enjoy. You say, thank you. Say it. Thank you. Great job. Practice this conversation again later. Change it a little, like ordering tea or juice. Try other topics too, like asking for directions or buying a shirt. Speaking every day, even for 5 minutes, makes you stronger. Let us work on pronunciation now. Today, we will focus on 2 sounds, pen and pain. These words sound close, but they are different. Let us practice. Say this word, pen. Repeat after me, pen. Now say, pain. Repeat, pain. Listen carefully. Pen has a short sound, like E. Pain has a long sound, like A. Let us try more words. Say, 10. Repeat, 10. Now say, train. Repeat. Train. Good. Now let us use these in a sentence. Say this with me. I write with a pen on the train. Repeat. I write with a pen on the train. Say it one more time. Slowly. I write with a pen on the train. You are doing so well. These sounds can be tricky, but with practice, they become clear. Say these words again today, and listen to how your voice sounds. Your pronunciation is improving every time you try. Now, let us talk about fear. Many learners feel scared to speak because they think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if people do not understand me? Those thoughts are normal, but they do not help you. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. Let me tell you a funny story. My friend Aisha was learning English. One day, she went to a restaurant and wanted to say, I want a fork. But instead, she said, I want a fox. The waiter looked confused, and Aisha realized her mistake. She laughed and said, Sorry, I mean a fork. The waiter smiled and gave her a fork. Aisha was not embarrassed. She learned from her mistake and kept practicing. Mistakes make you better. Say this with me. I am not afraid. I am learning. Say it again. I am not afraid. I am learning. If you make a mistake, smile. Try again and keep going. You are brave, and every word you say makes you stronger. Let us build your vocabulary with a new theme. Shopping. Here are 4 useful words. Price, size, color, and bag. Let us use them in sentences. Say this with me. I ask about the price of the shirt. Repeat. I ask about the price of the shirt. Now try. I need a small size. Say it. I need a small size. Next. I like the blue color. Repeat. I like the blue color. And finally, I put my things in a bag. Say it. I put my things in a bag. These words are helpful when you shop, whether in a store or online. Use them today when you talk about shopping. To make English a habit, follow this daily fluency plan. In the morning, say one affirmation. I am learning every day. In the afternoon, think in English for 1 minute. For example, say, I am sitting on a chair. In the evening, practice the coffee shop conversation. At night, say one new word, like color, in a sentence. My favorite color is green. This plan is easy, but it works if you do it every day. You are making such great progress. Let us take a moment to celebrate you. Every word you said today, every sentence you repeated, is a step toward fluency. You are not just learning English, you are living it. Let us practice one more time with our affirmations. Say this with me. I can speak English. Say it again. I can speak English. Now try. I am confident. Repeat. I am confident. Feel those words in your heart. You are stronger than you know. Let us keep going with a few more ideas to make English fun. Try watching an English cartoon, like a show for kids. The words are simple, and the stories are easy to follow. Or write a short sentence about your day in English. Like today, I walked in the park. Share it with a friend or say it to yourself. These small actions add up, and they make English a joyful part of your life. Let us reflect on what we did today. You changed your mindset with affirmations. Surrounded yourself with English. Thought in English. Practiced speaking. Improved your pronunciation. Faced your fears. And learned new words. That is a lot. You should feel proud. If you feel tired, that is okay. Learning is like exercise, it makes you stronger, even when it feels hard. Tomorrow, try one new thing. Maybe listen to an English song or say a new sentence. Every step counts. You are building a habit, and habits turn into fluency. I believe in you, and I know you can do this. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your fluency journey. You are growing every day, becoming more confident, more natural in English. I am so proud of you for practicing today. Let us end with 2 final affirmations. Say them with me. I can speak English. I am confident. Say it again with a big smile. I can speak English. I am confident. You are on your way to fluency. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. And I will see you next time. You can do this.